What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, it's Andre. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money online with Clickbank products. So this is going to be our $100 per day method. This ain't no joke. Make sure you watch this video all the way to the end because guess what? I'm going to reveal everything and I'm going to show you why some of you are not making money. You probably have a Clickbank account. You probably heard about it and you want to sign up, but you have no idea where to turn or what to do. Some of you probably have a Clickbank account already, but you just cannot get to that $100 per day. And I'm going to show you some reasons, and I'm going to explain to you why. So this is why this video is going to be packed with a lot of valuable information that is going to help you to reach that $100 per day on Clickbank, selling nothing but Clickbank products. You can also use this method with other affiliate networks as well. So this can be used and it can be applied with anything else. It goes across the board. Now I'm going to show you how to do it, and I'm going to give you in details, in-depth training, like a step-by-step kind of, but I'm just going to give you an overview. After that, all you got to do is just take this information and you can run with it. So make sure you got a pen, make sure you got paper, start writing some things down. So here's Clickbank. We all know what it is. It's a great affiliate network which has a lot of different products. So you can come on here, you could sign up. It's for the public. It's absolutely free. And once you come over here, you'll see all the different products that you can grab and you can go promote. Now, what a lot of people are not telling you that, yes, you can sign up for it. Yes, you can grab a link and go out there and you can get a sale here or there. But to make $100 per day consistently, there is no way, let me repeat that, there is no way that you're going to come here, grab an affiliate link, and repeat that cycle and get that sale over and over again. So I'm going to show you how it's worked. Now I'm over here on this funnel analytics. This probably may be a little bit confusing to you, but I'm just going to break this down to the T. And I hope after this video, you can find so much value as possible, and just leave me a comment if this is your first time here on my YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe, show some love as well, and let me know what you think. For my regulars, happy to have you here. All right, it's always good to have you back watching my videos over and over again. So this may seem a little bit confusing, but here's the thing. A lot of people sign up for Clickbank, and the first thing that they do, they'll come over here, they'll be like, all right, I think health and wellness is great. So they'll come here, they know what the gravity score is, because they watch other videos and say, well, you got to find a high gravity score. Yes, you find a high gravity score and something that's already selling, then you can grab that. But here's the thing. You can grab your affiliate link, not a problem. As I told you before, you can make a little sales here and there, not a problem. But you can grab your link. But here is what. A lot of people are cutting themselves out of the equation. And the reason why you see some of these top gurus that you call gurus or top YouTubers are not going into details and show you this method. Now, with a small channel, I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do so that way you can take the knowledge and you can run with it. And if you'd like to work with me, go to andremilleronline.com. Now, here's the thing. Here's the opt-in page. A lot of people send traffic from all these different places and they just send it directly to their affiliate link. That's what most people do. If you want to stand out, you want to brand yourself, you want to make $100 a day with Clickbank products, you have to create your own funnel. Let me say that again. If you want to make $100 per day selling Clickbank products or anything else, you need to have your own funnel. Now, the first thing that you need to do is you want to create an opt-in page, or what some people may call it a capture page. So an opt-in page, capture page, make sure you sign up for that. There's ClickFunnels, there's Aweber, there's Online Sales Pro. There's so many. Did I say Aweber? Yeah, you can use Aweber to create your own capture page. It's not going to look sexy, but you could use it, right? So those are things. ClickFunnels and all those other softwares that you can use. You want to create your own opt-in page. After you create your opt-in page, the next thing you want to do, you want to send them to a thank you page. Now, a thank you page could be a video of you talking, explaining about the actual product. Now, do you have to get any results to talk about the products? Absolutely not. Do you need to make a lot of money to say, okay, this product is great? Absolutely not. Well, here's the thing. Some of you were like, well, I don't have any results, so I can't talk about it. How people are going to buy from me if I don't have any results? Listen, you can read up about that actual product and you can give a recommendation about the actual product. For example, you could say, I, for example, this phone, I'm using, I know someone who's actually using a Samsung phone and they're getting great results. I haven't used it yet, but however, I've heard nothing but good things. Listen, the more genuine and the more real you are, people will want to do business with you. Too many people are trying to do the fake it till you make it. Those people, nobody want to do business with. And most of those people don't really stay in the business that long anyway. So you got to be smart. Are you here for the long term or are you here for the short term? If you just want to make a couple bucks, go and lie to people. But if you want to be here for a long term, you have to do business karma. Because if you do people wrong, guess what? It's going to come around and haunt you. Maybe not them, but something's going to happen along the way. So don't have that business karma. You want to make sure that you're doing something real, something ethical. Even if you don't have any result, it's okay to say, listen, I know some people that are using this product, and this product really works because I've seen it. I've seen people, it change people's life. And I would love for you to get on board. I would love to see if this is something that you want to work with, right? Check out the next video. This is what you would say on this video. Now, you don't have to go into too many details on here. You can also talk about, as I said, someone else's experience. You don't have to put a video if you're afraid of video. So what if I don't want to go on video, Andre? It's okay. You can put a picture. Well, what if I don't want to put a picture? It's okay. You can put a thank you page. But here's the thing. Many people would like to know who they're dealing with, because if you want to look for long term, you want to make that $100 per day, you got to think of getting yourself out of your comfort zone. If you want to grow, you got to change some things. The things that you're afraid of is the actual thing that's going to set you free. Remember that. So once you create your thank you page, after that, you want to send them to the sales page, which is the sales video of the actual product, company, or whatever it is that you're going to refer to. Now, when you go here, some people will buy. Not everybody will buy, but some people will buy. But here's the thing. You be collecting emails. Let's say out of about 100 people that visit your actual opt-in page, only 20% actually submitted their email. And out of the 20% that submit their email, let's say only 10% watch this video or click here. And let's say only, I would say 10 people watch this video. And out of 10, you'll get like one sale, or let's say 2 sales, right? If you get 2 sales down here, you know that this page is kicking. Out of 10 people, yes, if you get a 20%, your funnel is on fire. The only thing you got to do is just put as many people through that funnel as possible. Now, let's say some people go through here and one person bought. You know, let's just say one person bought. And listen, even if somebody didn't buy anything, you didn't do anything wrong. So get out of your feelings and don't say, well, I sent 1,000 people to my affiliate link and nobody buys. Listen, if you're trying to sell a snow shovel, let me say that again. If you're trying to sell a snow shovel to people in Jamaica, do you think they would buy? So that's why you need laser targeted traffic. Now, here's the thing. Here's where traffic will be coming from. So the traffic can come from Reddit, AdWords, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram. There's other different platforms that you can use. I just pull these ones out because, these ones are the ones that are working. So as I said before, you're sending traffic to this opt-in page. And let's say a lot of people don't buy. Let's say only one person buy. Guess what? Out of the 100 people that submit, 20 people submit their email. So guess what? You have this person's email, and every day, what you could do, you can add value to these people. Send them information, tell them a little bit of story about yourself, value of why they should buy. Now, here's the thing. Once you start selling value to them, number one, you can then direct them back to either your Facebook, you can send them to your YouTube, you can send them to your Twitter, and you could send them back here and say, hey, sign up for my YouTube channel, sign up for my, check me out on Facebook. Because sometimes people just want to know who you are. So you got to say, hey, connect with me on Instagram, connect with me on Facebook, follow me on YouTube, all those things, because they're going to be like, all right, because here's the thing, not because somebody doesn't buy right away doesn't mean they will not buy. Some people, you don't know what they're going through. Maybe they're going through divorce, financial, situation. They have some tragic in the family. It's just not the right time. People's lives are busy. So this is where the email come in. This right here, my friend, is free traffic for life. Let me say that again. Most people say, well, you get a better open rate on Messenger. You got a better open rate on everything. But here's the thing. Here's what nobody tells you. In order to have any one of these accounts, guess what you got to have? You got to have an email. So people do check their email. They probably don't check it every day, but I'm sure one day they're going to pull it out. And because you're so consistently sending them email, they'll be like, oh, man, I remember this guy from YouTube, or I remember this guy from Facebook or Instagram. You know what? Let me see what he has to offer. And maybe that one day he's in a buying mode and he said, you know what? I'm just going to sign up. Today's the day. So not because people don't buy right away, you're not doing anything wrong. Many people quit right before the miracle happens. You got to keep pushing yourself. You got to keep sending traffic to your opt-in page. This is where it comes in. So that's why you need to create content. You didn't need to learn any one of these. But here's the thing. Don't try to do all of these. Let me say that again. Do not try to do everything. Try to pick one thing over, and just get really good at it and start making money. And then when you start to do that, guess what? You can then, the opt-in page software that you use, you can start sending it to your email. And then that's where you get the subscription comes in. That's where everything starts coming in. That's where you can send them the offer over and over again. Because let's say you're in the health and wellness niche. Maybe you're promoting something in the health and wellness niche and they don't buy. You can send these people another health and wellness fitness stuff. Because being an affiliate, you can always keep consistently sending them information over and over again. So I hope this video helped. And that's how you're going to make money on Clickbank, right? Make money online with Clickbank products. And you can make $100 per day just by doing this. Are you going to make $100 tomorrow? Absolutely not. But if you're consistent with this, that's where the money is going to start rolling in. So this is what you want. Get a software, get an autoresponder, get Response, Aweber, all that type of stuff. That's what you need. So make sure you sign up for it and you should be good to go. So if you like my video, please leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. And if you don't like it, it's okay. I get it. This video is not for everybody. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you in the next video. Check me out. Work with me, AndreMillerOnline.com, and you can see what I'm working on. So I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.